plants on the basis of okay, ठीक है. This question is also related to lesson 7 क्योंकि lesson 7 से ही आपका संडे को आएगा. Classification of plants on the basis of nutrition means plants may be autotrophs, plant may be heterotrophs. So all plants are autotrophs. Autotrophs के बारे में तो आप जानते हो, हाँ?
Yes, ma'am.
Plants are called as autotrophs because they prepare their food by their own. So plants are called as autotrophs. But how plants are called as heterotrophs? हम कैसे plants को heterotrophs कर सकते हैं? Children, all plants are not prepared their food by their own. सारे plants अपना खाना खुद नहीं बनाते. So plants may be heterotrophs also. Okay, the heterotrophs is of two types. That is saprophytes, parasites. So parasites तो मैं अभी तुरंत समझाई. Parasites को मैं अभी तुरंत समझाई. Dodder is the plants,
Yes,
which is parasites. But saprophytic plants. ऐसे plants का नाम बताओ जो कि saprophyte.
Ma'am, बताऊं.
हाँ, say name.
Saprophyte, mushroom, dodder plant.
Yes, mushroom and saprophytes. Mushroom is the examples given in your book.
Dodder plant.
Dodder plant is the parasites and mushroom is the example of saprophytes. Confuse नहीं करोगे. Parasites it means dodder. Saprophytes it means mushroom. समझ में आया?
Bacteria is also saprophytes now.
What? Again say, Sally.
Ma'am, bacteria is also saprophytes.
हाँ, bacteria is also saprophytes. Animal saprophytes. Animal saprophytes. हाँ, okay. अब आइए. There are so many hands. Then how I can go in another? अच्छा, okay. Divya, Akhil Raj, Shivam Kumar Dubey, your problem is solved. Akhil Raj, say your problem.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मैम.
आप हैंड को डाउन करो ना. मुझे है क्या आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं फिर ओके. ये लोहित
नेम कर रहा है तुम.
ये लोहित
तुमको पता भी हम क्या कर रहे हैं. मैम प्रिया
ए लोहित, your problem. Shivam Kumar Dubey, you have again problem. ए लोहित problem.
Yes, ma'am.
problem है लोहित.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. मुझे है.
हाँ, से लोहित से your problem.
मैम मैं शिवम हूँ.
हाँ, से शिवम कुमार दुबे. You have problem then say. Shivam, you have problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
And what are invertebrates?
Invertebrates. देखिए, those animals which have no backbone are called as invertebrates. जिसके पास backbone नहीं होता है उसको हम कहते हैं invertebrates. And their body is so soft. उसका body जो होता है बहुत soft होता है. हाँ, जैसे starfish. And their body is not
octopus.
yes. And they have no bony skeleton, not well developed bony skeleton. They have no backbone. They are called as invertebrates. आगे समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
आइए.
मैम मुझे अनम्यूट.
जिसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जा रहा है उसको म्यूट कर दीजिए और ये हैंड भी लो कर दीजिए.
ए लोहित, say your problem.
How are vertebrates different from invertebrates?
ए लोहित, say your problem.
मैम इसका क्वेश्चन है कि वर्टिब्रेट डिफरेंट क्यों है इनवर्टिब्रेट.
लोहित, say your problem.
How are vertebrates different from invertebrates?
किसी का समझाऊंगी.
What are different?
How
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
My voice.
हमारा ही है.
My voice.
मैम आवाज तो
How vertebrates are different from invertebrates? This is the question.
मैम सबके बैकग्राउंड से आवाज
सही आ रही है.
आवाज आ रही है?
यस मैम.
Okay.
यस
मैम सबके बैकग्राउंड से आवाज आ रही है ना.
अच्छा मैं सबको म्यूट कर देती हूँ.
ओके मैम. मैम प्लीज मेरे को अनम्यूट रखिएगा ना.
मैम मेरे को मैम वो रोज रहती है अनम्यूट.
एक मिनट. A Lohit, your problem is how is vertebrates different from invertebrates? This is your problem. A Lohit. अच्छा Priya Rai. Priya Raj, can you know the answer? How vertebrates are different from invertebrates?
मैम आई नो.
I know that. Ma'am, I also know.
मैम आंसर दो.
Ma'am, I also know. Can I
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Sai,
Yes ma'am. Ma'am I use search.
Priya Raj, you know the answer? How?
Yes ma'am.
Say Priya Raj, say the answer. How vertebrates are different from invertebrates? जल्दी बोलो.
मैम मैं बोलूं क्या अनुष्का कुमारी.
मैम एक मिनट.
Priya Raj, how vertebrates are different from invertebrates?
मैम मैं बोलूं अनुष्का कुमारी. मैम शायद
They vertebrates, they have a backbone. These animals are well developed and have a bony skeleton. Example: human beings, fish.
Invertebrates?
Invertebrates, they do not have a backbone. These animals have a soft body. Examples: earthworm, cockroach.
Yes, very good answer. चलिए, okay. अच्छा, there are so many hands. मैं question ही पूछती हूँ. Okay, किसी और से. Okay, 1 minute. सिद्धि, I am saying one question. नहीं, सिद्धि को तो आता है. मैं दूसरे से पूछती हूँ. सुहानी कुमारी 6H. सुहानी कुमारी 6H. I am saying one question. आप उसका आंसर दो. सुहानी कुमारी, name any 3 characteristics of living beings. सुहानी कुमारी, say the answer.
मैम फिर से क्वेश्चन रिपीट कीजिए.
Name any 3 important characteristics of living being.
मैम आपका आवाज आ रही है. सबके बैकग्राउंड से बहुत आवाज आ रहा है.
सबको अनम्यूट कर दूं क्या मैं?
यस मैम, तो किसी एक बच्चे को अनम्यूट रखिएगा. यस मैम, शाली तिवारी को.
1 मिनट चिल्ड्रन. 1 minute. बहुत सारे बच्चे.
मैम प्लीज.
Siddhi Singh, 3 important characteristics of living beings. Say the answer.
Yes, ma'am. The 3 important characteristics of living beings are: living things are made up of cells, living
Yes.
things grow, living
Yes.
things need food and water.
Very good. आइए next question. Difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs. मैं जिसे 1 minute. सुहानी कुमारी again. सुहानी कुमारी, say the answer. 1 minute. Suhani Kumari. Say the answer. Difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs.
The plants which prepare their food by on are called autotrophs.
Yes. Heterotrophs.
Animals cannot prepare their own food. They have to depend on plants for their food. They are called heterotrophs.
Okay. Very good answer. आइए next question. Give 2 examples of vertebrates and invertebrates. This question is from Mahi. Mahi, You will say the answer.
That is Sunni.
Two examples of.
Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट, एक मिनट, आप अनम्यूट नहीं हो पा रहे हो.
Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट चिल्ड्रन, एक मिनट. आप अनम्यूट नहीं हो पा रहे हो. ऋषभ राज.
Yes, ma'am.
ऋषभ राज. See two examples of vertebrates.
Hello, ma'am.
Two examples of vertebrates. माही सिंह आप अनम्यूट हो गए. अच्छा ठीक है. First I will give the chance
Yes,
to
ma'am.
Mahi. रुक जाओ.
Yes,
Two
ma'am.
examples of vertebrates and invertebrates. दो एग्जाम्पल बताओ vertebrates का और invertebrates का.
Vertebrates.
Vertebrates.
Vertebrates. Human wing and fish.
Human being.
Invertebrates. Earthworm, starfish.
Very good Mahi. आइए next question. Name of any 4 useful products obtained from plants. Rishabh Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say 4 useful products obtained from plant.
4 useful products obtained from plants are wood, timber.
Say.
मैम आवाज आ रहा है?
हाँ, yes.
मैम
हाँ, say answer. Rishabh Raj, say the answer. 4 useful products obtained from plant.
मैम क्वेश्चन रिपीट कीजिए फिर से.
4 useful products obtained from plants.
4 useful products obtained from plants are cotton, paper, rubber and wood.
Very good answer. Very good. आइए फहद अहमद, your question is.
मैम मेरे कंफ्यूज रखिएगा.
ठीक है. All living things respond to external stimuli. Justify the statement with example. आइए फहद अहमद. फहद अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लिया. जब मैं क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ तो अनम्यूट कर लेता है. एक मिनट. अंजलि.
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali, say the answer. All living things respond to external stimuli. Justify the statement with example.
Okay, ma'am. All
Thanks.
living organisms respond to different stimuli such as touch, light, heat, and sound. Example: earthworm move away from light and saline media. Second example: the tip of the shoot system tends to move towards light. Ma'am, third example: the dropping of a leaf of a touch me, not plant.
Yes, very good answer. Very good.
हम भी चलते हैं.
Very good answer, Anjali.
Ma'am, बोल दिया.
Yes, very good. Next question. A cloud is considered as non-living even though it can move and can grow bigger. Explain why. Explain why. Cloud is, this question is of, एक मिनट, this question is of Siddhi Singh. Siddhi Singh, do you know the answer? Do you know the answer? A cloud is considered as non-living even though it can move and can grow bigger. Explain why.
ऋषभ राज आंसर दे.
Rishabh Raj, are you want to say the answer? Say.
Can I answer?
Say Rishabh Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Say answer.
A cloud is considered as a non-living thing
as they move because they do not eat, breathe, and
Say.
ma'am just say
Say answer.
a cloud is considered as non-living thing even though it move or and can grow bigger because it could not eat, breathe, and talk to everyone and talk to anyone.
Yes, very good answer. Next. Write 2 points of difference between hops and surfs. Difference between hops and surfs. This question is of Aditya. Hops and surfs. Aditya, say the answer.
इसके बैकग्राउंड से बहुत आवाज आ रही है.
एक मिनट, सारे बच्चे अनम्यूट करो. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. सॉरी, म्यूट.
म्यूट रखिएगा. ऋषभ राज का म्यूट रखिएगा.
अच्छा, ओके.
मैम आदित्य को म्यूट कर दीजिए.
आदित्य, say the answer. एक मिनट. Aditya Singh. Aditya
Yes,
Singh.
ma'am.
What is the difference between hops and surfs?
Yes, ma'am.
Say the
Herbs.
answer.
A.
Say.
Herbs are very small plants.
Yes.
B. They have soft and green stems.
Yes.
C. Their height is from a few centimeters to about 1 meter.
Yes.
D. Grasses. Example, grasses, many flowering plants.
Yes. And hops?
Shrubs.
Yes, shrubs.
Shrubs are medium-sized plant.
Yes.
They have hard and woody stems.
Yes.
Their height is from 1 meter to 3 meters.
Yes.
B. Example, rose and cotton.
Example?
Rose and cotton.
Yes, very good
Plant.
answer. Aditya Singh, very good answer. Okay. आइए. Next question is difference between. Okay, 1 minute. This question is from Aditya. एक मिनट. आदित्य शंकर. One minute, children. This question is of. कुछ बच्चे क्वेश्चन पूछने के डर से अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लेते हैं. आलोक राज, देखिए मैं अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ. ये बच्चे अपने आप को.
मैम वो क्लास लीव कर दिया.
क्लास लीव कर दिया. वो सोचा कि जो क्वेश्चन